Welcome. My name is Alex. Thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe because I post almost every day. This is a yoga warm up. I like to stretch before practice. It's like wiping down a countertop before preparing a big meal. Even if you don't see anything there, you just know you are in the right mindset when you've got that clean space ready to go. Let's begin lying down on your back, on your mat, and arrive. Just take a couple of moments to feel your spine on the mat, your upper back especially. Let's try to lengthen the tailbone out and lower the chin slightly to lengthen the back of the neck. On an inhale, reach the arms overhead and hug the right knee into your chest. Give it a squeeze. And on an exhale, twist over to the left. Right arm reaches out and away from you, palms down, unless that irritates the shoulder. Breathe. Just feel where you are. Maybe your back cracked a little bit. We're going to roll back to center, back to your back. Bend the left knee, foot is flat. Unbend the right leg, just a little bit, open and close. And then lengthen out arms and legs. Breathe in. Left knee draws into the chest. Use some arm strength. And on an exhale, twist. To the right, reach the left arm out and away from you. Try to keep the shoulder down. Breathe. Back to your back. Bend the right knee, foot is flat. Bend and straighten. It might not even straighten all the way. We're just getting into the hamstrings. My hamstrings are really tight every morning. So this is basically my warm-up too. Let's full body stretch and reach. Hug both knees in, nose to knees, optional. Head and neck back. Place one hand on each knee and draw circles with both knees in the same direction. And reverse. Hug the knees in. Move your feet and your ankles around a little bit. Point, flex. And we are going to rock up to a seated position. Actually, bring the soles of your feet to touch for a butterfly. Sit up tall. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. And on an inhale, come forward with a mostly flat back. And then tuck the chin, lean back, round the spine, and sit up. Let's do that one more time. Just a gentle range of motion, exploration. Let's sit up and reverse. So tuck the chin, lean back, round spine forward. Shoulders back, lift and pull the chest through. Nothing forced, it's really gentle. Okay, sit up. Place both feet on the mat, about hip width, hands are behind you, fingers pointing forward for a reverse tabletop. Press down and lift. Sit down. Extend the legs out in front of you. Let's keep the knees soft. Reach the arms overhead and fold over the legs. So soft knees, round the back a little bit, and just find a gentle forward fold. If you take your time warming up like this, you will see such an improvement in what you can do over time. That's in general and every time you go to stretch or practice. Let's round up. Now find a comfortable seat, sit up tall. And reach the arms overhead. Lower the right hand down, find a side body stretch. Left arm reaches up and over. Keep the left sit bone down. Lift up, switch sides. Not leaning over as much as you are reaching up and over. And both arms overhead. Float them down to the right for a twist. Left hand to the right knee. Release, inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, twist to the left. One more closing breath together. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Inhale, lift. Long exhale, lower your hands down. Take a breath, check in. And enjoy your practice. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you thought with a like and a comment, a share. I will see you in my next video. Namaste, everybody.